Hello and welcome to Flying Bobbins. I'm Liz, and in this month's Sew Along Club I'm going to teach you how to make the Tommie skirt by Style Arc. The Tommie skirt is a classic midi length slim fitting pencil skirt with traditional western jean styling. The length of the skirt is kind of mid-calf midi length. You've got a split at the front here. You have a waistband with a jeans button and a fly front with a zip. And then you have belt loops there. And then your traditional 5-pocket western styling. So you have pockets at the side, a little ticket pocket on that side there. And then at the back we have the patch pockets and a yoke detail as well. So this is a great project if you want to learn new skills. We'll cover doing top stitching, patch pockets, adding a waistband, adding belt loops, obviously the fly construction as well, so all really good things to learn. And it's a really good project if you then want to progress on to making your own jeans, but this is just slightly easier. And just to show you some of those details up close, there's your ticket pocket there, belt loops, zip, fly front. Then at the back, your patch pockets, centre back seam and yoke detail. I made my first skirt in this lovely soft stretch cord, very luxurious, perfect for the autumn, and this comes in a few different colours. Has a nice little bit of stretch in it as well to make it really comfy, and it's really quite easy to sew with as well. And then for my second sample, which is what I'm going to video for you today, I'm going to make it in this washed stretch indigo denim, which is a fairly lightweight denim, perfect for a pencil skirt. Taking a look at the pattern, this is by the Australian company Style Arc. It comes in these A4 wallets. You have the instructions printed on the pattern pieces, and this is a colour printed pattern which makes it really easy to decipher which line you're cutting when you're cutting out your size. As you can see, they've styled it here with a chambray shirt and a denim jacket as a quite nice casual look, and they've pictured it in a light and a dark denim. But like I say, any kind of skirt weight fabric you could follow this pattern, so a cord, even a stretch velvet would work really, really well. It doesn't have to have stretch in it, by the way. I just find it's just that little bit nicer on the fit if it does, and especially with the pencil skirt. I just like to have a little bit of stretch. Kind of curves around the bottom a bit as well. The pattern comes in two sizes, an 18 to 30 and a 4 to 16. These are Australian sizes, which are the same as UK sizes. If you are following a United States size, that is a 0 up to a 12, on a 14 up to a 32. European sizes would be 32 up to a 44 and 46 up to a 64. So there is a really, really good broad size range for this pattern. Just make sure you choose the right pattern size range for your size. I'd say that this is a great project for anyone who's done a bit of dressmaking and you want to sort of add a few new skills under your belt, or if you've already made this kind of thing before, this will be a nice, quick and easy sew for you. I'm going to take you through every single step from cutting out to finishing your garment. We'll start by looking at the fit and which size to choose. If you want to follow this sew along completely, then you can join the Sew Along Club today. It's £10 per month, and I feature a new project every month for you to follow. There are kits and patterns alongside which you get 10% off of. If you've got your own stash at home, of course, you can use your own fabric and your own pattern and follow my video. And I will leave details in the comments below showing you how to access the Sew Along Club and join today.